Hi, first grade friends. This week's phonics pattern is L blend and T blend. L blends and T blends are two consonants side by side, and one is the letter L or T. And remember, in a blend, each consonant is pronounced. We are going to start by writing our name at the top of our paper. Please do that now. Our first word is going to be clap. Fingers ready? Clap. K-O-A-P. Clap. In your best handwriting, please write the word clap underneath number 1. And you're going to write it 3 times. Please make sure that your letters match my letters. K, O, A, P. Clap. And remember, you can pause if you need more time. Our second word is another L blend. And this L blend is found at the initial part of the word or the beginning part of the word. The word is glad. Finger stretch. G, O, A, D. Glad. Let's write it under number 2. G, O, A, D. Now please pause the video and write glad 2 more times. Way to go. Our next word has an L blend as well, but this time it is found at the final part of the word or the end of the word. The word is help. Finger stretch. H, E, O, P. Help. Let's write the word help together underneath number 3. E, O, P. Now please pause the video and write help 2 more times. Our fourth word is a T blend, and it is found at the initial part of the word, the beginning part. The word is trap. Finger stretch. T, A, P. Trap. Please write the word trap underneath the number 4. Please pause the video and write trap 2 more times. Our next word, our fifth word, has a T blend as well, but this time it's found at the final part of the word. The word is hunt. Finger stretch. H, A, N, T. Hunt. Please write the word hunt underneath number 5. A, N, T. Hunt. Now please pause the video and write hunt 2 more times. Our sixth word is the word gift. Finger stretch the word gift. G, I, F, T. Gift. G, I, F, T. Gift. And that is a closed syllable because I have a short vowel sound, I, followed by 1 or more consonants. Our next word is going to be the word milk. Finger stretch. M, I, O, K. Milk. M, I, O, K. Please pause and write milk 2 more times. Our 8th word is the word twin. Finger stretch, twin. T, w, I, n. Twin. Please write twin underneath number 8. T, w, I, n. Twin. Please pause the video and write twin 2 more times. Our 9th word is the word plot. Like the plot of a story. Finger stretch. P, o, a, t. Plot. We have 4 sounds in the word plot. Please write it underneath number 9. P, o, a, t. Plot. Please pause the video and write plot 2 more times. All right, my friends, our last and final word is the word lift. And this is a T blend because the F and the T are my 2 consonants side by side, and one of them is a T. Lift, finger stretch. O, I, f, t. Lift. Please write lift underneath number 10. O, I, lift. Please pause and write lift 2 more times. All right, my friends, we are working with T blends on the back of our paper today. We have the TW blends that we are looking for. So you can see here in the box with the boy, it says color the TW words. So in our word box table, please color any words that have a TW blend. Tweed, scar, crow, twist, flip, twig. Oh, there's that TW blend. Twirl, twirl. And I'm going to let you do the rest by yourself. We have the word twin, the last row, tweet, grab, twill, and flip. All right, my good friends, you will go ahead and complete spin, read, and write by yourself. And then down below, we have our word bank with our letter boxes. Remember, our tall letters have those tall boxes because they touch the top line and the bottom line. Look at all these tall letters. So if I see the word tweet, I know that tweet has 5 letters, and 2 of them are tall and 3 of them are short. The next word is twill. The next word is twist. The next word, twin. And the last word is twirl. I'm going to leave you to do this all by yourself because we've been doing this for about a week. So I believe in you. You can do hard things. All right, my friends. As soon as you're finished with your worksheet, please turn it into the Daily 5 mailbox and move on to Lexia for Free Time Friday.